I'm reviewing this ultra dry 35 litre dry bag for use in Ghyll Scrambling, what we in the peaks would call Clough Scrambling. Really pleased with the bag, had it for about a year now and used it for several dozen scrambles. Most obvious positive is that my kit stayed completely dry in it, no leaks, and that includes being in deep pools and climbing waterfalls with water pouring down on the bag. It's a good quality fold and clip system with straps to close up the bag, and the material is good and thick. I chose it for a number of features. The shoulder straps are reasonably wide and padded, and they're certainly good enough for a half-day carry, bearable for a full day, supported by thin and adjustable waist and chest straps. There are two, one here and one over there, external mesh pockets, just about fit a 1 litre water bottle. They could do with being a little bit deeper, and they have worn a little bit where they've rubbed on rocks, but I've not had a bottle fall out during scrambling and been very happy with that. It does come here with an external splash-proof pocket, and you can see there that there's a phone case that has been waterproof so far, but I've stopped using it because it's a pain to get the phone in and out of, and I'm still waiting for somebody to invent a quick access waterproof phone case. There are no internal dividers in the bag, which would have been useful, so I stow my gear in plastic bags or other kinds of bags to separate it out. 35 litre bag, ample for a day out scrambling, lunch, dry gear, spare shoes, plenty of room. The stuff I've got here probably only takes up 20 litres or even that. If you can possibly see in there that there's a small internal zip pocket for keys, credit card, etc. Some people have complained that the zip breaks, so I've been real careful with it and it's lasted okay so far. The main downside of the bag is that if you're out of your depth in pools and swimming, the bag is really buoyant because it's so waterproof. Really helpful in one way because of course it's helping to keep you up, but it's bad because the natural buoyancy position with this on your back is unfortunately with your face underwater. So to counteract that, I unclip the waist belt when I'm going into deep water, but you can't always predict that, and personally I've now gone the whole hog and wear a buoyancy vest. Overall, I would really recommend the ultra dry 35 litre for Ghyll or for Clough Scrambling. It's pretty comfortable, spacious, the quality's been okay. Most of all, it has kept my stuff dry. It cost me 37 quid from Amazon, and maybe my only regret is not buying one in one of the brighter colours.